Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over YouTube video discovery ads. So video discovery ads are not one of the video ad formats that shows during a video or anything like that. They actually show in YouTube search results and they show alongside other YouTube videos. So you're going to end up running these campaigns using your Google Ads account. So I'm going to show you how to create the campaign, but first I want to show you a couple of examples. So the first one is in YouTube search results. So let's just say you go to YouTube, you type something in the top. What's going to happen is there's going to be an advertisement that appears right here at the bottom, and this is a YouTube video discovery ad right here. So it's the advertisement here is from Order Metrics, says the ultimate profit dashboard for e-commerce. So they just have a quick 1 minute 50-second video. So if I click on it, that's when the advertiser is going to be charged. So regardless of if I view the full video or anything like that, if I click on it and then click away, the advertiser is still charged. So it's a good ad format because people actually have to interact with your advertisement, and most people aren't going to click this by accident. So if you click the ultimate profit dashboard for e-commerce, you're probably going to have some level of interest in this type of advertisement and what they're advertising. So another example is alongside other YouTube videos. So if we come to the top here, so I open a separate video on YouTube. It's our Pinterest ads tutorial for 2019. Alongside the right hand side of the video is the best website maker, WebNode English is the advertiser. So it's going to say right here how to make your website. So a good little advertisement. You could see the ad right there. So anytime you're searching down here and you're looking at different videos, anything that says ad right here is a video discovery ad, and then same in the YouTube search results. So anything in the YouTube search results that says ad right here is going to be a video discovery ad. So if you're trying to create these advertisements, what we're going to do is come into Google Ads. So the first thing you want to do is come to Tools, go to Linked Accounts, and make sure you have your YouTube account linked to your Google Ads account. So we always recommend to do that first. The other thing I'd recommend is checking out our YouTube ads playlist. So we have a YouTube advertising tutorials playlist. It's basically like a free YouTube advertising course. So we have our tutorial here. We have how YouTube advertising costs work, the different types of TrueView ads, including video discovery ads and in-stream ads, targeting options, video advertising formats. So I highly recommend checking this out. But coming back into Google Ads real quick, what we're going to do is click on to add a new campaign. We're going to choose product and brand consideration as our goal. So this is going to allow us to use a video campaign type. And this is the only way to run video discovery ads at this time is with a product and brand consideration campaign. We're going to click on video. It's going to say select a campaign subtype. So the subtype is going to be influence consideration. We're going to click on continue. So we'll do YouTube video discovery ads campaign. So now you have your budget and dates, so you can set a start date and end date. You can set a campaign total budget, or you can just do a daily budget. I generally just do a daily budget, but it's really up to you. So we'll just set this at $10 for now. So down here, bidding strategy. So we're going to use the maximum CPV bidding strategy. That's the only one available for this type of campaign. Networks, it says YouTube search results, YouTube videos, and video partners on the display network. So as far as video discovery ads, they're only going to appear next to YouTube videos and in the video search results for YouTube. So we're just going to get rid of video partners on the display network. So languages, we'll enter English. So you want to enter the languages that your customers speak. So locations, if you want to adjust locations at all, if you're trying to target an individual location, this is where you can set that. Next is going to be content exclusion, so you can limit where your ads show. So maybe you want to keep things in moderate profanity rather than in the expanded inventory where there's more sensitive content in the expanded inventory. I generally just keep this as standard. And then you could do some excluded content for different sensitive content categories like tragedy and conflict and more. So you can exclude some of the content there if you want to. And same with excluded types and labels, so you can select digital content labels to exclude. So maybe you want to exclude DLMA for mature audiences. Maybe you don't want the content to be embedded videos, live streaming videos. You don't need to worry about this as much for video discovery ads, so I'm just going to leave this wide open as well. Okay, so we'll just do sample ad group for now. So now people, so you can basically choose demographics, audiences that you want to reach, but what I'm going to do is come down to create my YouTube video ad real quick. And we're going to open this video. So it's just a 30-second ad, free book download, how to grow your business with online marketing in 2019. So we just want to promote our free book. So we're going to copy this URL, come in here, paste the URL. And now this is where you can choose either using the in-stream ad format or a video discovery ad format. So we're going to choose video discovery ad. So it's going to show free ebook. So you could see it right there with a headline. It's going to show Surfside PPC, how many views the video has. You can set your headline, description too, and your ad name. So we're going to scroll up real quick, and now you can set some of your targeting. So generally what I'll do is I'll come into audiences and I'll use a custom intent audience to target. So if I go to browse, let's just choose these two custom intent audiences. So it might not show available impressions for this. Sometimes it does. It really depends on the audience you choose. But usually it'll show available impressions so you can have some type of forecast for how many people are going to see your advertisement. We'll just choose these two and not limit it anymore. You could also choose keywords, topics, and placements. If you're looking for more information about YouTube advertising targeting, we highly recommend checking out that playlist and checking out our video here, YouTube advertising targeting options. But coming back to the video discovery ad, the next thing you need to do is set your CPV bid. So how much you're willing to pay per view. So it's your maximum cost per view bid. So if we click here, I'll usually start it at 15 cents and either increase it or decrease it depending on my budget, depending on how many people are seeing my advertisement. If you're not spending your budget in full, you probably have to increase your CPV bid a little bit or increase your targeting a little bit. Otherwise, if you're spending your budget in full, you could always lower your CPV bid over time or narrow down your targeting a little bit. So if we scroll down, we're going to do video discovery ads. So now I'm going to set the headline, description, and the ad name. Okay, so I set the headline. I did free Surfside PPC book. Description 1, download the free Surfside PPC book and subscribe to our channel. So hopefully we can get some subscribers in the process when people click through our advertisement. Ad name, we're just going to do video discovery ad 1. Now a best practice here is to set up different targeting and test different targeting, test different advertisements. Maybe you want to create a couple different videos, maybe you want to use different headlines. So that's really a best practice, and we can look at what our advertisement is going to look like. So as a YouTube search ad on mobile, this is what it will look like. As a YouTube related ad on mobile, it shows underneath the video. On desktop, it'll show along the right hand side, and as a YouTube search ad, it'll show right in the search results. And you can see download the free Surfside PPC book and subscribe to our channel. So now all we need to do is click on save and continue, and our campaign will be created. And we can upload more ads if we want. We can create more ad groups if we want. So that's really up to you. When you click on continue to campaign, you can add more ad groups and ads. You can see what your advertisement sort of looks like here with the thumbnail. We'll click on continue to campaign. And now you can add more ad groups if you want. You can create more ads under the ads and extensions tab. So if you want to do that, that's something that I highly recommend doing. But these are YouTube video discovery ads. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section. Thank you for watching our video today, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.